This video is about confidence interval. Confidence interval is a range of values used to estimate an unknown population parameter, most commonly the mean mu. It tells us how confident we are that the true value lies within that range. In other words, a confidence interval answers based on our sample. Where do we think the true population value lies? We are given two types of data: a complete sample of data, which in calculator we need a spreadsheet, or only the statistics like sample mean, X bar, unbiased estimate of population sigma S sub n-1, size of the sample n. If we know population standard deviation sigma, we will use Z interval. If we do not know the population standard deviation sigma, we will use T interval. The conclusion for confidence interval, the 8% confidence interval for the population mean mu is, you can use this bracket or open parentheses. How to interpret a confidence interval? We are 8% confident that the interval will contain the population mean mu. Let's go to guide the practice 1. A psychologist records the number of digits D of pi that a sample of IB Math HL candidates could recall. Find a 95% confidence interval for mu and explain the meaning of the result. Since we are not given population standard deviation sigma, we got to use T interval. On 1, no. Go to 4, spreadsheet. Let's use D given in the question. F for frequency. Put in the data. Go to menu. 4, statistics. 3, confidence interval. T interval. We are given data, so enter. List. D. Frequency, we have F. Confidence level, 0.95. Then enter. We got confidence interval from 4.36 to 4.89. Explain the meaning of the result. We are 95% confident that this interval contains population mean mu. Let's go to guided practice 2. For a sample n equals 60. We know that X bar equals 40, S sub X equals 3. We know that the standard deviation of population sigma equals 2.7. This means we will use z interval or z-test. Find a 90% confidence interval for the mean mu of the population. Give your answer to 4 significant figures. We got to use the basic calculator in Scratchpad. Menu 1.5 to clear the history. Go to menu. 6. Confidence intervals. Z intervals. We are given stats instead of data. Sigma 2.7. X bar 40. N is 60. Sea level 0.90. Enter. The interval from 39.43 to 40.57. Remember, we need 4 sig figures. Let's go to B. For a sample n equals 80, we know that x bar equals 140. S sub x equals 13.0. Find a 90% confidence interval for the mean mu of the population. Give your answer to 4 significant figures. Go to menu. 6. This time t interval, because population standard deviation sigma is unknown. We are not given data. We are given stats. X bar 140. S sub x 13.0. N is 80. Sea level 0.90. Then enter. The confidence interval is 137.6 to 142.4. Let's go to guided practice 3. A random sample of 100 hens is taken from the population. The sample values are summarized by summation of x equals 211.8 and summation of x squared equals 457.2, where x kilograms is the weight of a hen. Find unbiased estimate for mu, which is x bar. We know this is the formula for x bar. Summation of x over n. So x bar equals 211.8 over 100 equals 2.118. B. Find an unbiased estimate for sigma squared. Here is the formula for unbiased estimate for sigma squared. S sub n minus 1 squared equals denominator n minus 1, numerator summation of x squared. This numerator n times mu squared. Don't forget this is mu squared. So S sub n minus 1 squared equals, do the substitution, 457.2 over 99 minus denominator 99, numerator 100 times 2.118 squared equals, answer is 0.086945. From this, we got to know s sub n minus 1 equals square root 0.086945. Because in the calculator, we need an unbiased estimate of sigma, not sigma squared. C. Find a 90% confidence interval for mu. Giving your answer to 4 significant figures and explain the meaning of the result. Manual 6. We got to use t-interval because we are not given the population standard deviation. We are given the stats. Enter. X bar 2.118. Remember, s sub n minus 1, you have to do square root. 0.086945. N 100. Sea level 0.90. Enter. We got this interval from 2.069 to 2.167. Remember, we need 4 sig figures. Explain the meaning of the result. We are 90% confident that this interval contains true value mu.